Welcome to beautiful Tamaya. This is Jeff with Earthworks here at another full renovation project that was just completed a couple weeks ago. Let's go take a look. So this is a new construction property. So it was a builder grade landscape originally. The only things left from the builder are the two robilinis here in the front, a couple of the bush daisy. I believe the homeowner actually installed those. And then a couple iris that we transplanted around, as well as a few of the ligustrums that are down the side of the house. But everything else, we just wanted to give it a little bit different vibe up here, a little bit more formal, if you will. So we put in some dwarf podocarpus there under the column windows, flanked both sides of that with the icy blue podocarpus. So it'll get up a little bit and then they can be trimmed into a pyramidal shape or whatever shape that the client desires. In the center window here, we put a couple Shishi Gashira camellias there, surrounded by some flax lily, and then to anchor both sides of the garage, went in with the double ball blue cypress there. So it ties everything in. Then a little pop of color here with the pentas as well. Behind those pentas are some abelia. They will grow up and get a little bit taller. Obviously, again, they're young, so they came in small from the grower, but they will get up a little bit of size, so they'll be seen from the street. Another request the clients had was creating a walkway down the side of the house, connecting the driveway to the back patio. Luckily, this favorite color and style that they have is readily available, so we were able to match those colors and styles, and then added this walkway down the side. Down at the other end there, we had to add a little bit of retaining just to keep our level with the drop off of the backyard, but it turned out great, and it gives them easy access to get to the backyard and enjoy their backyard back there. Here in the backyard, the clients, when they moved to Jacksonville, they came from Nevada, I believe, and they wanted artificial turf. They had it in their other house and they really liked it. They have a couple pups, so they just wanted something simple and clean back here. So we had the artificial turf installed. They also wanted a water feature and a little patio here, so we built this patio with the seat walls. I put the pots together, brought those over, got those here, and then just gave them a little privacy. Obviously, as the podocarpus there in the background grow up a little bit, that'll give them some privacy of the neighbors in the back. One thing they had requested on the initial consult was no mulch in the backyard. Dogs like to eat the mulch and everything, so we went with Colorado River Jacks back here as mulch as well. And then we also did a gravel band around the back of the house here to help with drainage and water runoff, things like that. Some of the requirements that they had asked for was tying in the downspouts, getting all the water away from the house. So we were able to capture all the downspouts, with the exception of one on the driveway, and tie those in together into underground pipes and then daylight them out the back of the wall here into the little marsh area that we have. And it all works perfectly. Everything's draining out the back, especially with the tropical storm that we just had. And then a couple other little key features. They had a generator installed. We had to hide that per HOA guidelines. Added a few hedges down this side, some azaleas, few camellias, things like that. Really just a complete overhaul of the entire property from top to bottom. It's looking great, a couple months post-install. Did a full lighting package as well, so we have dome lights down this walkway that we installed. We have spotlights up in the front on the robilinis and a couple accenting the front of the house. And then some lights back here on the patio, blade lights under the cap there, and then some lights shining up onto the water feature. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section there. If you have any needs or wants for your property, would like to schedule a consultation, please reach out to us at earthworksjacks.com, or we'd be happy to schedule a meeting and come out and transform your yard into a beautiful property like this.